Hello everybody! So I'm making some matzo balls and fried chicken. It's gonna be quite yummy. Beating the eggs right now. So I had to mash the potatoes and then so use mashed potatoes. I put in some mozzarella cheese, green onion, some red pepper, and some pepperoni and some tomato sauce. And you mix it together to make like this orange goo. It doesn't look very appetizing, but it will be. So you get it together. You put a little bit of. Okay. So you want to get like a little spoonful almost. I use my hands. Put it in the egg, the beaten egg. Okay. Looks so goody. And then roll it in the breadcrumbs. Ooh. Okay. And then you want to kind of need a plate. Crap, we should have done it. Oh, here we go. We'll put them on here. Okay. And then you form them into a little ball. A little ball. Oh, sorry, you can't see. A little ball that looks a little flat. I'm gonna roll it like a snowman. Get in the winter theme. And there we go. You make a matzo ball and you let it sit. And I've got the chicken marinating in the fridge. I'll show you guys that. My hands are all gooey. So maybe I'll wait. But I'll make some matzo balls. It's gonna be yummy. It's probably best to let this stuff sit for a minute or use a spoon. But it's me. Roll it around in the flour. We're in the breadcrumbs. It's breadcrumbs, sorry. Okay. Okay. Round. Ba-da-ba-ba. 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 Ooh, Nelly. There we go. It's kind of fun, right? My fingers. Everyone's like, ooh, not during COVID. Okay. This might take a while, but it will be worth it. I don't know if I should really be manhandling it as much as I am. I don't even know if I'm really doing it right. It's kind of a winging it. So I'm teaching you guys something that I'm not sure if I'm doing right, but that's okay. Oh. I think I've got the right idea. Really close. Sorry. Hi, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna rinse off my hands because I want to show you the chicken, but I'm not just gonna keep talking. So come over here. That's that done. want to make sure that you clean as you go. And the last thing that you want to be doing is cleaning after. So I pounded the chicken and I've got it in a marinade, and it smells so good. So after I did that, I crushed up some corn chips. I don't know, it's hard to see. But I crushed up some corn chips, put some seasoning in there, and then I'm going to deep fry them. So it's going to be kind of a deep fried meal tonight. Fried chicken, fried potato ball, matzo balls, but it will be really delicious. All right, guys. Happy Saturday night. Super cooking with Crystal. Bye, guys.